Okay, so online people can confirm this thing. My screen is visible to you now. Yeah, Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start our today's discussion. Yeah, attention, please. In offline. Yeah, please concentrate on this. Okay, so today I am going to discuss on ninth experiment. Yeah, this side. Please attention. Okay. Today we are going to discuss on our ninth experiment that we are saying implement the concept of VLAN using the network simulator. Uh, yeah. What? No. Actually, today we are combining the three batches: batch A, batch B, and batch C. And in batch C, I am conducting the lab session of computer network. And in batch A and batch B, Riddhi madam is conducting the session. So, there is no A batch. Yeah, but online all the peoples are there. Okay, so that's why we are discussing on a common experiment. Okay, madam have already performed or explained the experiment number first, second, and third, and I think fourth also, na? Yeah. So yeah, madam was saying she has completed this experiment. So we all are together in the batch A, B, and C. So that's why today I am going to explain the experiment number 9, that we are saying the implementation concept of VLAN. Okay, why I am going to explain this? Because it's an important concept, and we are using this concept on everywhere. And if I am going to explain this thing today, and we are going to work on it, so you will feel ki, okay, it's a real life task, or it's a real procedure related to the network. So that's why I'm conducting this session on this topic. Okay, so let's start. First, we are going to understand ki what is VLAN. So from the offline class, I just want to know, what do you understand by the local area network? Yeah, anyone. What do you understand? Because all of you are aware about the local area network. Yeah, anyone. Yeah, from the online session, anyone who just want to add or answer. Yeah. Okay, we are discussing this point about the build. Local area network we consider a geographical bounded area. Okay, so now that geographical bounded area can be room, can be office, can be building, can be college. So we can't say ki in the lab we are considering local area network, and this entire campus we are not considering as a local area network. Is it clear? So if we are talking about a specific geographical bounded area for a small place, okay, as compared to the other we are going to discuss, like the cities, like the world. So as compared to the local place, when we are going to discuss on the geographical boundary or bounded area, so that area network we call the local area network. Now, if I am in the institute, or if I am in the university, so I can consider this whole campus is a local area network of Marwadi. If I am in this class, so I can consider the local area network of this class. If we are combining the 2-3 classes, so that time we can consider it's a local area network of like that. Okay, so I hope all of you, all the online people will also comfortable with this thing. What is the local area network? Now, from the offline people, because they are in an offline mode, so I will regularly ask the questions. So yeah, in the last, tell me yeah, what's your name? Dev. Okay, Dev, can you tell me what is the main benefit you understand when we are going to work with the local area network? Any benefits you consider? Yeah, from the online people, anyone want to answer this question? What is the main benefit to work on the LAN? Yeah, we can share our information to each other. First, main benefits. That is the main function of network. Is it clear? Any other benefit you want to share about this? Yeah, we will aware about all the nodes and devices if we are talking in our place. Okay, if I am talking in the class, then I will know how many people are connected to the, yeah. Security, that's I'm considering, I think it will be clear in your mind what is the main concept. Any other? Yeah, any application, any implementation, anything I want to implement or I want to deploy on the local area network, then all peoples and all the system will be convenient to accept this thing. Okay, it will not like that if I am taking the class here and I will convince for any kind of things, so you will not involve in that. Okay, but when I will convince to people, those who are not in the part of local area network, they can say we don't know sir you, so we will not going to work with this. So this all type of local feeling will come when we are exchanging the things or when we are working on the local area network. Now if this all type of features, yeah, online people please reply any benefits, what which type of benefits you are going to receive when we are working on the local area network. Yeah, anyone who want to tell about this? Yeah, please text. Yes, online guys. Yes, Chirag. Yeah, like Sham is saying, the lane provide resource sharing such as a computer resource like, yeah, Roam, Drive, yeah, yeah. So Sham, that's the same concept we were discussing in the offline. We can improve the security. We can easily convince to the devices, or devices will be. I will be aware as a network admin to all the devices. Like this, I am working in a local area network, so I will comfortable which model of the switch is working here. Which mod? Yeah, last bench. Which model of the switch is working here? Which model of the router we are working? Because I can just physically see that them all. Or if we are not working in a local area network, so I will not comfortable see where is my switch and which type of switch we are using in wide area network and which type of switch we are using in a metropolitan area network. So this all type of features we are going to receive at the point of local area network, but one drawback is there. So that's why the main drawback is what? All the people who are connected in the local area network, they just want to be, or they just want to treat like a group. Okay, so please understand this thing, why we are working or why we are discussing on the VLAN. When we are talking about the local area network, so that time all the peoples are working in a group and they are not accepting the things to work in a different domains. But sometimes we have a requirement to work in a different domains. So now you have to understand what is the mean of that different domains. First, your TC1, we are considering a local area network. Okay, so we were considering your whole class, around 70 students are in the TC1. So I was considering is a one local area network. But when madam or when department was just deciding that this people should be just bifurcated in a 3 domains, batch A, batch B, and batch C. Okay, so that time you were not agree. Okay, my friend was going in that batch, my friend was going in the this batch. Okay, and when we are bifurcating this thing for a different kind of subject, so you will also be regret for that. Yeah, I want to choose this subject, I want to choose this subject. So the batches will be just like shuffled in this way. So when we are working on a local area network to provide the better resources in the way of this virtualization system or this virtualization network concept, so that concept we are saying the VLAN concept. Is it clear? Now, from the TC1, some of the students are interested to understand the computer network. So we are creating a VLAN from your TC1 that we are saying the CN VLAN. Are you getting my point? Those students who want to learn the computer network, so we are creating a VLAN. We are saying the CN VLAN. Some students are interested to learn the Java, so we are creating a Java TC1 VLAN. Some students are really interested in IoT, so we are considering a TC1 IoT. Or at the same time, we are accessing the resources of the network, or you are accessing the resources of the university, but you are getting your resources in a different way. So when we just want to use this kind of things in industry, so you can just imagine how many things will work on that. So that type of concept we call the VLAN. Is it clear? Are you getting my point? Is it clear? When we are logically bifurcating the network on the requirement of the resources, so that network we are saying the VLAN. Is it clear? I think online people, it will be very clear to all of you. Yeah, if we are talking about the definition of the VLAN, then the definition will be very clear. VLAN logically segments switched network based on the function. So here I was talking about the domain. So based on the function, project team or the application of the organization, regardless to the physical location or the connection to the network. So when we are just, we are not caring about your location, we are not caring about your class, we are not caring about your physical location, connections. All people and all the students are from the same batch. Is it clear? Now, it was a general example to explain this concept of VLAN in the concept. Now I am going to share this concept with the industry purpose. Okay, so you can just consider this example with the industry. Yeah, easy. I think it will be clear what is VLAN when we are logically bifurcating our local area network in a different small local area network, that we are saying the subnet. Okay, this same concept we use in a layer 3 type of networking, that we are saying the subnetting. Okay, that time we are dividing a large scale network in the small subnet part, so that we are saying the subnet. But when we are dividing this thing in a small network, but all the resources will just receive the resources from a centralized server, so that we are saying the VLAN. Yeah, last bench. Yeah. Which type of voice? Okay, you can come this side, or you can check who is giving this type of voice to you behind. बाहर से आ रहा है, so कौन जा रहा है चेक करने के लिए? Okay, please close this. Okay, yeah. और ऐसा तो नहीं है कि किसी कोई बता के आया हो किसी को कि बाहर से ये आवाज आना चाहिए? हाँ, या यू कैन चेक. हो सकता है नीचे हो. हाँ. एक बार चेक कर लेना किसका फ्रेंड है किसकी फ्रेंड है. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think now you are not getting. Please concentrate on. Yeah. Yes. What's your name? Okay. So please concentrate on this. Because ये मास्क में आवाज ही नहीं आती और नाम भी समझ नहीं आता है. ठीक है. Okay. मेरी आवाज आ रही है लास्ट तक? Okay. So हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं VLAN के इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पस की. So please consider or understand where you can use the VLAN or where you can feel the VLAN. Okay, it should be, yeah, please attention. Okay. I will give a 10 to 15 minutes to discuss on that. Okay, don't worry. So I'm talking about the main concept or industrial purpose of the VLAN. So please understand this example. Okay, just wait. Yeah, I think. Yes, we are considering we are considering an organization. In this organization, we have around 1,000 employees. Okay, so you know how in an organization we can talk about the 1,000 employees. So I have one organization, and in this organization we have 1,000 employees. Now, yeah, please concentrate on it. Why it's not visible here? Just wait for a minute. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, so I think now. Okay, yeah, please listen this. I am going to explain this experiment, this example or industrial purpose of the VLAN. So we are considering about the TCS. TCS is my organization. In this organization, we have 1,000 employees. Okay. Now in this organization, we have 1000 employees, and out of this 1000 employees, in my main building, we have 5 floors. Are you getting my point? In the main building, I have 5 floors. In this 5 floors, on a one floor, suppose 1000 employees are there. So 200 youngsters or 200 employees are working on a project. That project is related to the mobile development. Are you getting my point? 200 employees are working on a floor number 5th, and this all peoples are working together on a common platform that we are saying the mobile application development. When we are talking on a third, fourth floor, so 200 peoples are working on a DBMS type of project. Okay, they are handling a database of any organizations or any other things which we are discussing in the IT. Okay, on the third floor, if we are talking about it, so some peoples are working on the Python project. So 200 peoples are working on a third floor. Now we have divided this 1000 people on 5 floors in a 200 different peoples. Okay, now my whole server room or my complete server room and complete resources are going to share with all this 1000 employee from a main building. Okay, so if I am sharing the server, if I am sharing the resources, so please understand the mean of this resources very clearly, very clear. What is the mean of this resources? So this resources can be generally what we consider software. What is the mean of resource for at this time, or if you just want to understand the resource, so the mean of resource will be software ki some software I am expecting from the main building. But it will not like that. We are always talking about the resource in the way of computation power also. Is some resource computations they are providing, some memory they are providing, some storage they are providing, some platforms they are providing from the from the main building. Now this same thing was happening in this COVID situations also. All the employees was working from the home, and industries was providing the things in the form of their remote accessment. All the softwares and things were working from the home. So when we are working this same concept in a small or same building, so that time we are sharing the resources on a second floor, we are sharing the resources on a third floor. So all the resources will just going to receive by a specific floor. Suppose I am talking about the 5th floor. So the people who are receiving or working on the mobile application, they will just receive the platform related to the mobile. They will just receive the database related to the mobile. But what is exactly happening? We are sharing all the things in a common local area network. So it will not possible the person who is working in a Java platform, he can access the resources of what? Mobile applications. It will not like that the person who is working on the third floor, he is going to interact or going to use the resources of the 5th floor which I have assigned there. So when we are bifurcating the resources in this way to the employees and to the peoples in a common local area network, so that concept we are saying that is the main use of VLAN in the industry. Are you getting my point? Now some resources we are providing to the C block hostel. So these people have different credentials and different rights to access the server. Some students are living in the B block hostel. So these students have some different rights to access the information. We can also talk about the internet accessment. When we are in a main building, so we have different type of speeds. When you are in a hostel, that time you are accessing a different type of speed of the net. So they have just divided this local area network in a different parts of VLAN. Is it clear? So logically they are just bifurcating this, or logically they are just bifurcating a main local area network in a different virtual area network. Is it clear? Is it clear? So now let's understand on the packet tracer how we can implement this thing in an actual way. Is it clear? So it's our experiment number 9. We are going to perform this thing on the packet tracer. So I will request to all of you, you have to just log in your system, or if you have, okay. So you have to just start your packet tracer. If anyone have any doubt related to this VLAN, then you can ask me. Yeah, online people, is it clear to everyone? I think the example will be very clear how in a common local area network building, all the person are accessing the resources on a different floor. One team was working on an Android, one team was working on a Java, one team was working on a Python. So from the common server room, we are providing and allocating the resources for the accessment to different teams. So we are representing these teams in a common local area network to a different VLAN network. So this type of network we are saying the VLAN. Okay, so I will request to all the people who are joined or who have joined this session online. So you have to just start your packet tracer and you have to log in your packet tracer, and we are going to understand where you can find out this VLAN. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just giving a time of 2 minutes. I'm also going to start my VLAN. Oh, sorry, packet tracer. So please start your packet tracer. Yeah. Yeah. Ritesh. Yes, Ritesh, you have any question? What is the use of this? Anyone from this online session? Yeah, Ritesh, can you speak from your side? Yeah, Ritesh, tell me anything. Are you present here?
Yes, sir.
Sometime I never received the voice from the network. Okay. So yesterday some student was asking the question in a online mode. So I was not receiving the voice. So I think it may be the sometimes they audio out. Yes. So I was thinking why this port is here. Okay. Okay, so I think it will be clear to everyone what we have discussed in VLAN. Yeah, please. Uh, Now there are some benefits of the same concept I was explaining how the VLAN. Concentrate. how this VLAN is going to implement in this concept, and that example I was explaining in the process. Okay, so there is one building. In this building we have different floors. So on the different floors we have a different kind of switches. We just consider this thing in the lab, so we are providing the accessment in this way. Yeah, here is one concept of the VLAN, how on a common switch or how on a common local area network, we are just dividing the things in an account VLAN, how we are dividing the things in a marketing VLAN, and how we are dividing the things in a engineering VLAN. Okay, so now we are going to understand this thing on the local area network. So mainly in the local area network, we work with the switches. Okay, is it clear to everyone? In the wide area network or metropolitan area network, when I am exchanging the things, so that time we are working for the layer 3 type of networking, and that layer 3 type of networking was going to support by the router. But in the local area network, if I am not going to work with the layer 3 type of networking, so we were very comfortable with the layer 2 type of networking, and that layer 2 type of networking is a part of data link layer. So our switches are mainly work on data link layer. But there was an issue. Yeah, please concentrate on it. There was an issue ki when I am working on a data link layer or the local area network on with the switch, so a broadcast issue was there. So please understand what is the broadcast issue. Yeah, yeah, please understand what is the broadcast issue. So there was an broadcast issue. To resolve this broadcast issue, we are just bifurcating and we are implementing the VLAN in this way. And the most important requirement was to reduce the network traffic. So that's why we were working with the VLAN. So what is the mean of this broadcast? So when I'm transferring any message through the router to the switch, okay, please understand what is the mean of broadcast. When I'm transferring any message from one router to switch, so that time switch will just broadcast to that message how many ports are connected with the switch, like this. Yeah, please understand. Suppose I am a router and I am transferring some message to, what's your name? Yeah, suppose I am transferring some message to this person. So this person will just broadcast a message, or that message may be related to this person, but it will broadcast whether you are responsible for this message or whether you are going to receive this message or not. So all the people will just receive, or they will say we are not interested, or it's not our message. Are you getting my point? What is the broadcast? कि मुझे बात आपकी क्लास में किसी एक पर्सन से करना है, और मैं आके एकदम डायरेक्टली ये बोल रहा हूँ कि who is this person. So all the persons are going to receive my voice, and that person is replying कि sir I am this person, or I am responsible for that. So that was the broadcast. So when I will just talk like this in the network, कि I have to talk with the Rahil and Sahil. So that time I am regularly talking to all the people. So all the people will just consider this thing ki sir is just increasing the traffic of the network, because this thing is not useful for us. This thing was just related to that people. So that is the problem, main problem of the local area network. When we work with the frame concept, okay, so that time that thing is always happening. But in the packet, yeah, please understand. But in the layer 3 type of networking, when we are working with the router, so that time router is just identifying the IP address on the basis of individual node. So it will just send a packet to individual person, and that individual person will just reply on that packet. So that was the difference. So when we just want to replace, and when we just want to reduce this broadcasting concept in the local area network, so that time this VLAN is very important. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? So let's understand. Oh, sorry, let's implement the VLAN, or let's work with the VLAN on the packet tracer. I hope all of you have started the packet tracer. Please mention in the chat box, online people, how many people have started the packet tracer. Yeah. Yes, please mention in chat box those people who have started. Say yes or say started. Just wait. Yes. Please select two switches on the packet tracer. I am giving the number of the switch 2950 24 port switch. Yeah, you can just go in the switch device, networking device, and two switch 25. Yes. It will be better if you will log in. एज अ गेस्ट कर सकते हैं, अब ये इनबिल्ट है और ओपन. ओके, ओपन सोर्स है, इस वजह से मुझे लग रहा है कि दोनों चीजों में वो एज अ गेस्ट भी लॉगिन के लिए बोलता है और एज अ लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स के लिए भी बोलता है. या ओके, सो प्लीज सिलेक्ट. आई थिंक all the online people are comfortable, or you can view my screen. Yeah, Janvi, please mention in chat box. Yeah, so all of you have to just start the packet tracer, then you have to go on the network device, go on the switch, then you can just select 29502 switches. Okay, so please select these two switches 2950.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your packet tracer screen is not visible.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, just wait, I am going to share. Yeah. I have already shared my screen, but I don't. Yeah, I think my screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, sir, now visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah, is it visible?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please select. Yeah, silence, please. What about you? You have not laptop? So please. Yeah, you can share with this class. It's okay, sir. We can proceed. Okay. So please don't talk. Okay. Yeah. So dear all, we are just going to select this two switch 295024 port. When you are just going to keep when you are just going to point out the switch, so you can just check. Yeah, this side. Please, you are disturbing me. You can come here, or you can just what I am explaining. Please listen. Yeah, when we are just putting, or when we are just keeping the cursor on the switch, so you will find out there is 24 ports. Okay, now 24 different ports you can just add with the devices. So it's depend on you how many device you want to connect with this. So we are going to check this 24 ports will available when we are working or when we are creating a VLAN. Okay, So first, I'm just going to select two devices to represent the system. So please select two PC with this switch 1. You can also select two PCs with the switch 2. So for the better understanding, you can just consider this switch number first is going to represent as a lane 1. Sorry, this switch 1 is going to represent as a floor 1, or this switch 2 is going to represent the floor 2. Are you getting my point? We have just divided this thing for the example in 2 floors. Now you have to just connect this thing. You can select the copper crossover, or you can just select the copper straight cable. So I am connecting fast Ethernet first and fast Ethernet second. Okay, so please connect this thing. Yes. In the same way, I'm going to select this two. Straight through cable. If you will follow the things, or you can do the automatic, but for the better understanding of the port, you have to try this manual thing. You can just select the copper straight cable, okay, to connect the PC. And you can also select the copper crossover cable when we are configuring the switches. Okay, so port number 3 to port number 3, I'm going to configure with the copper crossover cable. Now you can just consider this diagram as a one common local area network. In this common local area network, we have two devices. Yeah. Okay, if you are just confused, then you can use the copper straight through cable also here. Okay, the same cable with the 3 to 3. Yeah. Port interface number 3. Okay, interface number 3 from the switch 1 and interface number 3 from the switch 2. Okay, now I have also selected one more copper crossover cable with this. So you have to consider I am creating a loop for the transmission between these two switches. Okay, yeah. तेरे लिए ही मेहनत कर रहा हूँ यार बेटा. Okay, please concentrate here. Okay, so when I am just connecting this thing in a loop, so that time you will find one more new protocol that we call the STP, spanning tree protocol. So why this protocol we use, and why to remove this broadcast streaming in the network? Actually होता क्या है कि when you will try to create a loop between the switch on the local area network, so that time they will not work, or they will not create a loop, because it's an inbuilt feature of the Cisco. If you want to fill this thing in this way, just wait. Just yeah, if you just want to fill the spanning tree, so you can just select two switches. Yeah, don't worry, I'm going to explain this thing. Yeah, so you can just select any two switch in the future when you are trying to understand the STP. So that time you have to select only two switches, and you have to create a loop between those switches. So suppose one switch is broadcasting one message to the another switch, so that time a loop will be created. So it's a inbuilt feature of the Cisco switch devices. They will never create the loop. Are you getting my point? They will never work on the loop. There is one protocol or inbuilt protocol that we are saying, the STP. So all the links will always open. Okay. So the link will be open between two switches when you are going to create a loop. Is it clear? Yeah. So now, if we have connected this two different local area network, now you have to just go on the CLI mode of the switch one. Yeah. Now you can just write the inbuilt or enable command. Yes. 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 This copper PC say. So on the switch we are not using any IP and all. When we are connecting the copper straight cable, so it will just work on the MAC address basis. Okay, I think मैडम ने आपको router configuration बताया होगा. You are aware about the router configuration? Yes, yes. How we configure the router through the IP and we up and port and all. Okay, so that time in the switch we have not a requirement of this. We directly configure. Fast Ethernet port 1, we have 24 ports available, so you can just start with the port 1. Okay, Fast Ethernet port 1 with the PC1 with the PC2 interface. Are you getting my point? PC में फास्ट इथरनेट ही सिलेक्ट करेंगे ना हम लोग. Okay, please understand why you are confused. When we are just seeing a switch, so switch have 24 ports available. Suppose I am selecting the interface 1, so I am entering a card into the port 1. Now in the PC I have only one option for the fast Ethernet. There is only one VLAN card. So I believe that if in the PC we have choice of 4 ports, then we are going to select it. So at this time in the PC, yeah. You have to use the second one. Yeah. Yes. जैसे ही आप एक सिलेक्ट कर लोगे ना तो वो हटते जाएगा. या ऐसा नहीं होता ना, जिस पोर्ट में पिन लगा दिया उसमें दूसरी बार भी पिन लगा पाओगे. दैट्स द थिंग. Yes, Priyank, Pooja, I think all of you have just configured, or you will be comfortable to configure the VLAN. So I am just trying to configure this system, or I am going to create a local area network in this way. So please create a local area network. That at this place I was explaining why we are selecting these two wings. So we are just going to work on the concept of STP. So that's why I was discussing this thing. Okay, now you can consider the port or interface of the fast Ethernet 4 is connected with the fast Ethernet of the switch 2. Now, please double click on your switch. Okay. And please, yes, are you comfortable to this? Yeah, please write the command for the to enable the switch. So write command en, or you can write the complete command enable. Now we are in a config mode of the switch. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, you can just write the enable. Yeah, this command. Okay. Okay, please write ENABLE. तुम्हारे इसमें प्लीज प्रेस T. Yeah, there will be a terminal. He was asking, you want to go on the switch terminal? हाँ, वो तो कनेक्शन के है डायरेक्ट इनेबल लिखो. हाँ, switch के बाद. So you will just go on a switch. Okay, first, second और third experiment आप लोगों ने perform किया? CLI पे first time कर. हाँ, enter. Okay, if you are working on a CLI first time, then how you are comfortable to configure the router? हाँ, जैसे बताना है बताओ. Yeah, from this online. Yeah, Ritesh, what the error is coming? Yeah, just wait, Shivan. You have to just click on the switch. Some student was just getting the option. You have to enter in the terminal. So if your switch is asking this question, then press the T. Okay, and then you will just come on the screen of the switch. Or what is the mean of this CLI? So this is a command line interface. Anything I want to perform on the switch router, okay, so I can perform through this CLI. आप राउटर पे कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो आपको CLI कमांड पे ही जाके परफॉर्म करना होगा. आप स्विच पे कुछ परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, we can't see कि okay in the switch we are getting any console window and all. स्विच और राउटर को हमारे पीसी या लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करके तो आप लोगों ने कंसोल विंडो से टर्मिनल कनेक्ट किया होगा? नहीं. जनरली क्या होता है, या प्लीज ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, in generally what we do, suppose I am buying a switch from the market, suppose I am buying a router from the market, so these are just a networking device, or everyone know which type of this device looks. So if I want to configure on those devices, so it's a feature in the packet tracer कि packet tracer में मेरे पास feature है कि I can just go on a CLI mode, but in the actual we just connect this PC and this, oh sorry, we just connect this switch and router with the PC or laptop, and we just receive this console window on the laptop, and then the networking people are just programmed on the router. Are you getting my point? ये जो अभी हम CLI स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं बेटा, इधर ये जो CLI स्क्रीन हम लोग देख रहे हैं अभी, ये CLI स्क्रीन तुझे या हम लोगों को एक्चुअली राउटर और उस पे देखना है तो मुझे उस राउटर या स्विच को पीसी से कनेक्ट करना होगा. So there is one option in the PC that we call the console cable, and the same console cable will be also, port will be also in your router. So this thing I am also explaining because I think you should be comfortable with this. Yeah, please understand by this. I'm just selecting, don't do this, I'm just explaining this thing to explain what is the mean of this CLI and why we are using. It's my one router, okay. Here I am going to connect, yeah, I'm not going to connect this with the PC, I'm going to connect with laptop. So I have selected this laptop, yeah, please understand this side. What I am doing, it's my router, मैंने एक router buy किया है, उस router को configure करना है मुझे. So how I can find out this all windows? So I am just going to connect this router with the laptop. Just okay. Now when you will go in the console, so ये जो first वाला option है, okay, when you will put the cursor, so you will see the console, like the HDMI card or that type of card. So when I am just selecting this console, so I am just clicking on this. So RS-232 type of port is available in my laptop. Okay, RS-232 type of port. So I am going to select this console cable with the router. So in the router we have one auxiliary port, we have one console port, we have one two fast Ethernet port, two serial port. So I am just going to connect with console. Are you getting my point? Now my complete router or my router's command line can come on my laptop. So I'm just going to click on this laptop. Please understand this side. I'm just going to click on this laptop, and there is desktop option. So in the desktop, everyone can check this thing, terminal. Okay. So when, yeah.
ये सब जो हम टर्मिनल में करते हैं वो उसमें से आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में से भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, for the IP configuration, we are just deciding the configuration for a specific device. Okay, when we are connecting the devices with the network. But if I want to perform some extra features or some extra options related to the net router, so we are just going to select this desktop option.
There's no other way.
Yeah, there is no other way, because router is what?
So like you have to configure this thing by a terminal or something like that.
No, in the packet tracer we have feature key, we can just double click or we can come on the CLI mode. But in the actual life, we have to connect our router with PC or with our laptop. Are you getting my point? कि यार जो भी नेटवर्क एडमिन होगा वो कहीं भी राउटर को कॉन्फ़िगर करने जाएगा तो वो उसको पहले राउटर को अपने लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करेगा, देन ही कैन परफॉर्म द थिंग्स ऑन द राउटर. अदरवाइज वो उस पे देखेगा कहाँ, क्योंकि राउटर पे कोई डिस्प्ले थोड़ी ना है. राउटर इज जस्ट अ बॉक्स. Okay, so when he is just going to program for the router, so he will just connect with the laptop. So now you can just check how we can connect. Yeah, when you will just go on the desktop, so when you will go on the terminal, so you have to just click. So this all the booting process or the command line will open on your laptop. Are you getting my point? ये जो टर्मिनल का मीन क्या है, जो अभी मैं डबल क्लिक करके कमांड लाइन देख रहा हूँ, दिस डबल क्लिक कमांड लाइन इज जस्ट कमिंग एट द पॉइंट. Okay, now I can come or I can configure to router. Okay, so the same thing we are doing with my switch also. So in the packet tracer we have features. We are just going to double click on the switch and we are going on a physical. So these 24 ports are available. You can just check on which port you have enter your card or your PCs connected. Now you can just come on the CLI window. So one command I have write enable. So now I am in the configuration of the switch. Okay, now I am comfortable to configure the switch. Is it clear? Now, first command, if you just want to show the VLAN, so you have to write one command, SHOW, show VLAN. Yeah, so every student from the online mode, when you will be just in an enable mode, so you have to just write this command to show the VLAN on the switch. Okay? Yeah. So when you will just enable your switch, so you have to write this command show VLAN. So everyone will find out a detail of the 5 VLAN on your switch. Every switch have inbuilt, okay, और by default 5 VLANs are available. कि आप कोई भी मार्केट से स्विच परचेस करके लाइए सिस्को का, सो उसमें ये given in this. Yeah, what's your name? Yes, sir. Actually, face दिख ही नहीं रहा है, ऐसे से लाइक हाँ. Why these 5 VLANs are given in this, and how I take this? Yes. मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये जो 5 VLAN का अभी मैं रीजन बता रहा था कि why we are finding this 5 VLANs. What is the reason behind this? Yeah, so please concentrate on this. Yeah, I'm just explaining this. These are the default. These are the footies, and these are the token. So this 5 VLAN is visible here. Or when you will just execute, so check in your friend system, when you will write the command show VLAN. In your system, first starting 5 VLAN till the 1 to 1005. Okay, नीचे और होंगे. Okay, so we are not going to talk about, we are just talking about the first 5. Okay, so everyone, you have to just write this command show VLAN. So these are the inbuilt VLAN in each and every switch. Okay, So when you will go in the next level of the networking, so you will understand ki where we are using the VLAN 1002, where we are using the VLAN 1003. But at this time we are talking about the default VLAN. So मेरा जो switch है जिस पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, so all the ports of this switch are allotted to default VLAN. Are you getting my point? This side आपको पोर्ट दिए हुए हैं, FA01, FA02, FA03, this. So these 24 ports are allotted to the VLAN first, that we are saying default. Okay, so now here I am going to create one more new VLAN from my side. Okay, so out of this list we are going to create one more VLAN. Yeah, so please understand. Everyone can just check this show VLAN command. Now I'm just writing a command, config Okay, so please write this command. Just click on your switch and go in the config terminal. Yeah, configure, CONFIG, configure जो लिखते हैं उसका config कमांड है, config, CON, या बाद में यहाँ T के लिए उसने पूछा होगा, do you want to enter in the config terminal, then enter the T. वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. Yeah, do you want to work with the terminal? So enter T. Now I think you will be on a config. Okay. So I think online people, all of you will be in a config mode of the terminal switch. It will just ask for the T or to switch the T. So please press T. Host name. Yeah, host name. PCS, or I am just giving the host name capital MU, Marwadi University. Okay, so just consider I have changed the name of my switch. Yes, beta, यही ध्यान दो. Yeah, host name or any name you want to give to your switch. So I am just giving the name to my switch, MU switch. So now you can say this was switch and now I am working on a MU switch. So host name MU. होगा यार कौन? कमांड देखो, होस्ट HOSTNAME, नेम, और जो नाम आप देना चाहो. हाँ, कनेक्टेड है दोनों, होस्ट एक साथ है. Right, host name MU. Yeah, so I think everyone have just changed the name of switch. Now I will say I am working on the switch MU, and when I am going to check, when you want to check the VLAN in the config mode, जब हम लोग बाहर थे तो हम लोगों ने डायरेक्ट कमांड लिखा था show VLAN, but when we are in a config mode, so you have to write the command do show VLAN. Okay, yes. Yes, anyone have any issue? Yeah, Ritesh, Shivnanda, Dhrumil. Okay, Shivanand. Okay. Yeah, Shivanand, Ritesh. Okay. So first, if you just want to check the VLAN, so you have to write the command show VLAN. So I hope all of you have just write this command, or you can check the 5 VLANs. Now Second, we have to write the command to enter in the config mode. So we are going to write the command config, that we are saying the config. Okay. So when you will just write the config, so it will ask for the terminal. Yes, it will ask for the terminal. Then you will be in a config mode, and in the config mode, if you want to change the switch name, then you can just write the command host name or any name like Vishal you want to give. So you can just give the name Vishal to your switch. Hua? Front pay? Yeah, last. Is it clear? Your switch name is changed. Now the, yeah. Yes. Okay. So why we are using this do show VLAN? When I am in a config mode और उस time पे मैं यदि VLAN check करना चाहता हूँ, so I have to write the same command in a do mode. Okay, so do show VLAN. Is it? उसके बाद कुछ बता रहा हूँ मैं क्या करना है. ठीक है? Okay, okay, no problem. Now, okay. Now I am going to create the VLAN. Okay. So VLAN. Okay. Now the command will be like this. बेटा यार थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे ले. ठीक है? नहीं पढ़ना है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मुझे. ठीक है? Yes. Now we are writing a command VLAN 10. So what is the mean of this command? You can just write the command VLAN or a number of the VLAN. आप ये जो 10 लिखा है इसकी प्लेस पे आपका कोई भी नंबर दे सकते हैं. Are you getting my point? कि मैं अपने VLAN को एक नंबर बोल रहा हूँ, VLAN number 1, VLAN number 2, VLAN number 3. So I am giving a number to my VLAN to create. So VLAN 10. Now VLAN 10 Java. Okay. Now I am just giving the name Java to this VLAN 10. जो मैंने number 10 दिया है और उस VLAN का नाम बोल रहा हूँ मैं Java. That means what we are doing कि मेरा जो switch है उस switch पे मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, या मेरा जो building है उसमें एक VLAN में create कर रहा हूँ. उस VLAN का number है 10 और उस VLAN का name है Java. Is it clear? So हुआ क्या यहाँ पे? I was in a config mode. Then I enter into the VLAN. So I have created the VLAN 10. So ये कमांड क्या है? VLAN plus VLAN का नंबर. So ये नंबर आप कोई भी डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. Now I am in a VLAN और name Java. So I am giving the name to VLAN. Okay. Now do show VLAN. Okay. So when you will just write this command to show VLAN, so you will check which VLAN we have created. So that VLAN was VLAN number 10 or the name is Java. So it's going to show on my switch. Are you getting my point? पहले क्या था कि यहाँ 5 ही VLAN थे, लेकिन अभी मैंने VLAN क्रिएट किया कैसे? VLAN और VLAN का नंबर. तो VLAN का नंबर मैंने क्या दिया था? 10. आप मान लीजिए 1 दे रहे हो उस VLAN का नंबर. तो VLAN 1 यहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ और उसका नाम फिर मैंने डिसाइड कर दिया कि VLAN, जब मैं VLAN में था तो नेम जावा, तो मैंने जावा उसका नाम दे दिया. Are you getting my point? Now if you are executing this command do show VLAN, so you will find out here I have created a VLAN. Yes, online. Anyone have any issue? Pooja, Ritesh? Yes. Is it clear? Yeah, Ritesh. Yeah, Prince, Rahul. I hope all of you have created the VLAN or you have checked the VLAN. Yeah. पहले मैंने अपने स्विच को नाम दिया, अब मैंने विलेन क्रिएट किया और उस विलेन को एक नंबर दिया। सो द नंबर ऑफ विलेन कि आप 1 से ही चालू कीजिए। मैंने तो क्या किया कि आपने विलेन 10 नंबर का विलेन क्रिएट कर लिया, यहाँ ना 100 विलेन क्रिएट कर सकते हो, लेकिन तुमने क्या नंबर दिया, 10 नंबर। अब जैसे ही हम लोगों ने देखा तो पहले आप कहाँ थे, कॉन्फिग मोड में थे, अब आपने विलेन क्रिएट किया तो वो ये पूछ रहा है कि इस विलेन का नाम क्या रखना है, तो राइट द नेम और विलेन को जो नेम देना चाहो तो राइट विलेन, विलेन ओनली विलेन लिखो और उसके बाद जो नाम देना चाहते हो वो नाम लिखो। नहीं ये वो मुझसे मिस्टेक हो गई, मैंने क्या किया विलेन 42 किया, अब विलेन 42 आपका बन गया। इस 42 वाले को नेम देना है तो कमांड लिखो नेम और जो नेम तुम देना चाहते हो। हाँ आया विलेन 10, तुमने नाम दिया ही नहीं, तुमने विलेन 10 ही नाम दे दिया। ओके सो आया वो क्या नाम
हो गया सर, विलेन हो गया 10।
जय
साहिल नहीं है सर।
ठीक है क्लास आया समझ में देख क्या किया ओके। अब हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि ये जो विलेन हम लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, इस विलेन को कोई भी पोर्ट एलोकेट नहीं किया है मैंने। On your switch, okay, it's depend on the capacity of your switch. मान लीजिए आपका ये स्विच 24 पोर्ट्स वाला है, तो हो सकता है आप 100 पोर्ट के स्विच पे काम कर रहे हो, या हो सकता है आप 100 हो सकता है आप 200 पोर्ट के स्विच पे काम कर रहे हो। So that time you will just create a number of VLANs. Okay, so please one more VLAN. Okay, so first I will just come out Control Z. Okay, so press Control Z. Yeah, press Control Z. So you will be the out of your configuration of your switch. So अभी हम लोगों ने एक VLAN क्रिएट किया, अब हम उसी स्विच पे एक और VLAN क्रिएट कर। So then repeat the command config, yes, config terminal. Okay, I am in a config terminal. You can just write the Control Z to exit the configuration, then write the config terminal. Okay, so I am just in a config mode. Then जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी पहले एक VLAN का क्रिएट किया था, that VLAN number was 10. Now I am going to create the VLAN number 9. So VLAN plus VLAN का number, so it's VLAN number 9. Now I am going to give the name to this VLAN, VLAN name mobile या Android, Python. Okay, so I am giving the name to this VLAN is Python. Okay, now I can just check do show VLAN. So now on my switch I have two VLAN. VLAN number 9 is Python and VLAN number 10 is Java. Okay, but you will just find out this thing कि all the ports are alerted to which VLAN? VLAN default. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So I can't do anything on my this VLAN. So आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना डायग्राम पे. Okay, when you will concentrate on the diagram, so that time two interface. Okay, one fast Ethernet 1 and fast Ethernet 2. So अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, इन दोनों स्विच, मेरा जो स्विच फर्स्ट है, ओके, जो मेरा स्विच फर्स्ट है, इसका जो फास्ट इथरनेट पोर्ट फर्स्ट है वो मैं अलोकेट कर रहा हूं किसको, जावा वाले एम्प्लॉय को, और ये वाला जो स्विच है, ये वाला जो पीसी है, ये मैं अलोकेट कर रहा हूं किसको, पाइथन वाले को। इधर लास्ट राहिल, मेरा ये जो स्विच है ना, इस स्विच पे मैंने दो विलेन बना लिए। अब इन दो VLAN में से ये वाला जो पोर्ट है और ये जो PC है, दिस PC I want to allot to the Java person और this PC I want to allot to the Python person. Okay, so how I can allot this PCs? So no, अभी हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि all the ports are already available or allotted to default VLAN. So now we are going to understand how we can allot the interface to VLAN. Okay, so please follow this. Control Z नहीं किया मैंने, इंटर ही किया. Control Z तो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से बाहर आने के लिए. ओके, जैसे हम cd डॉट डॉट लिखते हैं ना डॉस में, वैसा है Control Z. Yes, so in this way, all of you can just create the VLAN. So how many VLAN you want to create on your switch? So you can just create this VLAN in this way. So anyone have any doubt to create the VLAN? Yeah, I think it will be clear now. You will be comfortable to create the VLAN. Okay. Now we have created the VLAN. Now you have to press the Control Z. So you will just on your switch. Now go in a config. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मेरे जो VLAN के 24 पोर्ट से जो डिफॉल्ट को अलोकेट है उसमें से 1 पोर्ट में जावा वाले VLAN को अलोकेट कर रहा हूं और सेकंड वाला में पाइथन वाले को कर रहा हूं. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग इन अ कॉन्फिग टर्मिनल. टर्मिनल में आए. अब हम लोग इंटरफेस पे जा रहे हैं. अभी हम लोग किस में गए थे, VLAN में गए थे. अब हम लोग इंटरफेस पे जा रहे हैं. सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट दिस कमांड. यस राहिल, ध्यान रखना कमांड. Okay, yes, you can just write this command, interface fast Ethernet. Okay, interface fast Ethernet. ये मैंने लिखा है interface fast Ethernet. Now I just want to go on 0.1. आया समझ में कि मैंने 0.1 क्यों किया है? मैं उस इंटरफेस को अलोकेट करने जा रहा हूं जो पहला वाला मैंने क्रिएट किया था, दिस वन. ओके, मैं इस वाले इसलिए मैंने 0.1 किया. आपने यहाँ देखा होगा ना.
हमको भी देखना पड़ेगा ना हमारे पीसी में.
हाँ, तुमने कौन सा अलोकेट किया है वो तुमको देखना पड़ेगा. मैंने जो किया है, और यदि आपके इसमें नहीं दिख रहा है इस टाइप का, जैसे मेरे इसमें आ रहा है, आपके इसमें आ रहा है FA01 आ रहा है. हर पोर्ट पे इसको बोलते हैं पोर्ट लेबल. आ रहा है राहिल? हाँ 0.1. अरे यहाँ पे 0.1 आ रहा होगा जिस भी लेबल को कनेक्ट किया होगा. ये देखो मेरे इसमें सारे नहीं आ रहे. तो यहाँ जाओ इस ऑप्शन में, या ऊपर जो ऑप्शन है ना, हाँ प्रेफरेंस पे जाओ. प्रेफरेंस में भाई इधर प्रेफरेंस में ऑलवेज शो पोर्ट लेबल इन अ लॉजिकल स्पेस, उस पर क्लिक कर दो तो दिखने लगेंगे सारे लेबल्स. ओके ओके यस. सो अभी मैं जो फास्ट इथरनेट 0.1 है वो अलोकेट कर रहा हूं अपने किसी एक VLAN को. यस, इन द ऑनलाइन एनीवन हैव एनी इश्यू? यस प्लीज, प्रिंस, प्रियांश, एनीवन, राहुल. Yeah, if someone is doing this thing, then you have to mention in a chat box. Ritesh, फास्ट ईथरनेट और फिर 0.1 जो भी पोर्ट अलोकेट करना चाहते हो. ओके यस 0/1. ओके यस राहिल किया. now you will check when you will enter this command. So you will be on a interface, config/dash interface. Okay, now I just want to write the command for the accessment or allocation. So you can just write this command. Okay. Switch mode access. Rahil, after the interface, yes, all the students, after going a config T, you have to write this command, interface. यार अभी मैंने क्या कहा, जो तुम्हारा पोर्ट हो ले लो, 01 ही ले लो तो चले जाएगा वो जिसको, हाँ एक मिनट, फास्ट Ethernet 0/1. Okay, this command you have to write to allocate the interface. When you will be in an interface, then you have to write this command, switch port mode access. Okay, yes, I think ये कमांड समझ में आया होगा. स्विच का स्पेलिंग लिखो, पोर्ट लिखो उसके साथ में, स्विच पोर्ट, मोड और एक्सेस. ओके, स्विच पोर्ट, मोड, MODE, एक्सेस, ACCESS, एक्सेस. मैंने क्या किया, इंटरफेस 01 में गया, अब वो 01 एक्सेस करवा रहा हूं किसको. अब मैं वीलेन का नाम लिखूंगा कि मेरे जो 2 वीलेन मैंने बनाए थे उसमें से किसको मैं वो पोर्ट एक्सेस करवाना चाहता हूं. ओके, सो दैट टाइम यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द कमांड switch port access. That time you can write the command switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, हाँ, तो आपने VLAN 10 आप मत लिखना, आपने जो आपका VLAN का नाम दिया है, जिसको आप अलोकेट या जो नंबर दिया है वो लिखना. ओके, now if you will just exit command होती है इंटरफेस से बाहर आने के लिए या किसी से भी बाहर आने के लिए, तो आप लिख सकते हैं exit, Ctrl Z से डायरेक्ट बाहर आ जाएगा, exit कमांड से उस फर्स्ट स्टेप से बाहर आएगा. तो now I am out from the if और इंटरफेस, so write the exit command. so अब हम लोग config मोड पे. now do show VLAN. So when you will just execute this do show VLAN, राहिल, जब हम लोग ये do show VLAN अब करेंगे तो यहाँ चेक करो कि मेरा जो इंटरफेस वहाँ 24 पोर्ट्स थे, उसमें से 24 पोर्ट्स में से एक पोर्ट मैंने एलोकेट कर दिया है किसको, मेरे VLAN 10 को. आया समझ में? Is it clear?
एक कौन सा इंटरफेस वो आप कहाँ से देखते हैं?
24 में से कौन सा भी सिलेक्ट कर दो तुमको.
तो है इंटरफेस कौन सा लोग
24 अवेलेबल है. 24 में से तुमने इसको कौन सा एलोकेट किया है, फोन नंबर का एलोकेट किया है.
यहाँ पर जो
जीरो,
यहाँ पर भी ठीक है.
यहाँ ठीक किया, यहाँ तुमने इसका वाला ठीक किया है, इसके अलग 24 है, इसके अलग 24. उसके बाद लिखना है स्विच पोर्ट मोड एक्सेस. स्विच पोर्ट एक साथ लिखना, मोड अलग लिखना और एक्सेस अलग लिखना, स्पेस देखिए और फिर एंटर करो. तो स्विच या बटन
स्विच पोर्ट
स्विच
वो बटन करिए.
हाँ, स्विच पोर्ट मोड
एक्सेस
access. Okay, so now you can just allocate any port to any VLAN. Okay, I'm just performing this thing one more time. इंटरफेस फास्ट इथरनेट। ओके, अब हम लोग शॉर्ट में बात करते हैं कि इंटरफेस पूरा नहीं लिखते हैं, हम लोग लिखते हैं IF ओके 0/2 सॉरी int FA 0/2। इंटरफेस का मैंने क्या लिखा, इन, शॉर्ट फॉर्म इंटरफेस का इन और फास्ट इथरनेट का FA और 02 जो पोर्ट मैंने लिखना था, जिस पोर्ट को मैं एलोकेट करना चाहता हूं। FA 0/2 IN इंटरफेस का IN। ओके, जो हम लोग पहले लिख रहे थे ना कि इंटरफेस फास्ट इथरनेट, उसका शॉर्ट लिख दिया हम लोगों ने। ओके, नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू राइट द कमांड। सो देखो, अप एंड डाउन वाले जो कीज है आपके इसमें, ओके, तो जब आप अप डाउन कीज को अप एंड डाउन करोगे तो जो प्रीवियस वाली जो कमांड है वो आ जाएगी। तो थोड़ी देर पहले हम लोगों ने कौन सी कमांड राइट की थी, स्विच पोर्ट मोड एक्सेस वाली। अप एंड डाउन वाला की को प्रेस करो तो जो भी प्रीवियस कमांड्स आपने एग्जीक्यूट किए वो कमांड्स आपको शो होगी। सो हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, स्विच पोर्ट मोड एक्सेस इंटर, फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, हम लोगों ने स्विच पोर्ट एक्सेस और विलेन का नेम दिया था। तो पहले मैंने 10 वाले को अलोकेट किया था, अब मैं यहाँ नंबर 9 कर देता हूँ। ओके, ये 9। ओके, सो अब ये जो दूसरा वाला पोर्ट है ये मैंने किसको एलोकेट किया, दूसरे वाले विलेन को। आई एम राइटिंग द कमांड एग्जिट। ओके, now you can just mention do show VLAN। so यहाँ आप चेक करोगे कि इनमें से जो दो पोर्ट थे उसमें से पहला वाला फास्ट इथरनेट पहले वाले VLAN को आ गया और दूसरा वाला दूसरे वाले को आ गया। ओके, क्लियर है? yes, in the online anyone have any issue? yes, Ritesh, is it clear? Okay, anyone? Pooja? Yes, why other people are not writing in the chat box? Rahul? Shyam? Okay, so I am just ending this session here. So today what we have done, we have just created a VLAN and we have allotted the ports to VLAN। ऐसे ही आप हर नेटवर्क में, अभी मैंने क्या किया है, हमारा जो डायग्राम था उस डायग्राम में अपने एक ही स्विच पे दो विलेन्स बना दिए। नाउ व्हाट इज द मीन कि लॉजिकली मेरा ये जो पोर्ट है ये विलेन 1 से कनेक्टेड रहेगा और ये पोर्ट विलेन 2 से। नाउ दिस टू स्विच कांट कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर। ओके, एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आप लोगों को दिखाता हूं कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है ये। यदि आप यहां देखेंगे कि इस पीसी से इस पीसी को कुछ सेंड, हो गया। ओके, इस नहीं वो नहीं, सिमुलेशन वाला नहीं है, नहीं वो अलग है, वो जनरली हो जाना चाहिए था पर हम लोगों ने अभी एलोकेशंस वगैरह नहीं किए हैं, इस वजह से नहीं हो रहा है। वो मैं नेक्स्ट उसमें बताऊंगा, उतना कॉम्प्लिकेशन उसमें नहीं जाते, ज्यादा हो जाएगा। अभी तक समझ में आ गया? ओके, सो you can also create the VLAN on this। so if you want to really understand this concept, तो मैं अपने इस स्विच को एक VLAN बना सकता हूँ और इस स्विच को एक VLAN बना सकता हूँ। जब मैं इस स्विच से इस स्विच पे कम्युनिकेशन के लिए कुछ एक्सचेंज करूंगा तो वीलेन पे एक्सचेंज कर पाऊंगा, स्विच पे एक्सचेंज नहीं कर पाऊंगा। ओके, सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग नेक्स्ट उसमें देखेंगे। ओके, या फिर बताना, वो मैं बताऊंगा उसका सिमुलेशन। ओके, Kyle, is it clear?
हो गया, आपने विलेन 10 और 9 अकाउंट कर लिया।
हाँ, मैंने विलेन बनाना सिखाया तुमको, विलेन को पोर्ट कैसे एलोकेट करते हैं ये सिखाया, विलेन होता क्या है ये हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया।
सर ये सब ऐसे लाए हैं, आप लोग कॉपी कर सकते हैं ना सर?
CLI,
ये कॉपी कर सकते हैं ना?
अरे नेट पे सब कमांड मिल जाती है, ठीक है, बट प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी है। अभी जैसे मैं आपको राउटर की कमांड बताता हूँ, चलिए ठीक है, बहुत हो गया यार आज। ओके ओके, आई थिंक एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट इन द ऑनलाइन session, or this all people's Janvi, Shivnan, Ritesh, Sham. Okay, so if I am going to summarize the today's session, so today we have discussed on the concept of VLAN. Okay, after that we have created the VLAN. So next time when you just want to check the VLAN, so why we are going to use this VLAN, because a very important concept we call the broadcast streaming. So we just want to reduce the broadcast streaming in the local area network. So that's why, due to the broadcast streaming, most of the VLAN, most of the local area networks down. Okay, you will not find out ki what is happening inside my network, but due to the broadcast streaming. So please understand one example of broadcast streaming, ki when I was saying a message in your class, and that message should be delivered to only a single person, but that message is just broadcast and all the peoples are going to discuss on the same message. So when all the peoples are going to discuss on the same message, then how much louds will be created or a voice will be created in the class. So that we call the broadcast. Is it clear? So dear all, we are just ending our session here. If anyone have any doubt, then you can ask me, or please perform this all things in your system. Okay? Yeah. Okay, Priyank, is it clear? Priyansh. Okay. Okay, so I'm just ending my session here. All of giving me, I'm just giving 10 minutes to all the people. You have to put your attendance in the chat box. Yeah, all the online peoples, you can just mention your attendance in the chat box. Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. છે ને જે સીએન નો કોર્સ છે ને જે મેડમ કહેતા હતા મોડ્યુલ 1 અમારે જે મિડ 1 પહેલા કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું છે એમાં એક્ઝામ ઓપન નથી થતી તો મેમે કીધું હતું કે તમે લેબ સર ને વાત કરજો તો તમે ઓપन કરી देशो क्विज થાય
हाँ पूजा, हम लोग ना पूरा एक शेड्यूल प्लान कर रहे हैं कि जो फर्स्ट
Okay.
मॉड्यूल और सेकंड मॉड्यूल है, सो उसमें यदि मान लो 5 असाइनमेंट्स है और 5 डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स है, तो कब तक
हाँ.
आपको हम लोग यहाँ से ओपन करेंगे और आपको एक मेल मिल जाएगा, सो उस मेल के बेसिस पे आपको वो कंप्लीट करना है. ओके
ओके सर वो क्विज तो हो रही है ओपन बट एग्जाम नहीं हो रही है.
एग्जाम हम लोग यहाँ से ओपन करेंगे हर एक चैप्टर का एक. ओके
ओके ओके सर.
Okay, don't worry, you will receive a mail related to that and you
हाँ
will
मिड
find out the all set.
जो करना है ना इसलिए.
Yeah, actually Riddhi ma'am, me and all peoples are very busy and we are not going to together for a one day. Okay, so it will
Okay.
a hectic schedule. We are going to plan on Saturday. Okay.
ओके सर नो प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah.
थैंक यू.
Okay. Okay, so I hope all of you have mentioned your attendance in the chat box. Yeah, please tell me your last enrollment number. D2D 35. Okay. D2D में 042. नाम बोलो. ओके 05 देव 125 नाम शुभ. मेरी सी बैच में ही हो तुम? ए बैच में
001 सीरीज अलग है.
नाम बोल दो. जय पूरा
रूपानी.
रूपानी
GOKANI.
GO. Okay, yes. 34 नाम राहिल. नंबर क्या है? दे दिया. चलो ठीक है. ओके 43. Okay. Okay, so we are just ending our session here. Okay, thank you very much.
Sir,